Nag-start na. Hello mga ka-DIY. So tonight, atong i-unbox ang iabot nako nga bagong in-order nga circular saw o trimmer router. So I bought this because ganahan kay ko mag DIY projects diri sa balay, labi na kay bag-o pa mi na awardan og balay. So this would really help sa paghimo og mga simple lang nga cabinets. Kay DIY projects are way more cheaper. Tapos you can choose sa design nga imong gusto. And then it also gives you a sense of empowerment nga you created something from your own bare hands. So para siya, it's not really properly packed. Kaya ang iyahang sa kaning buto-buto is very nipis ra, murag isa ra siya ka layer. So ato na ni siyang i-unbox. So mo ni ang atong item. It's not really properly packed. It's heavy. I hope wala ni labay-labay. Using the bubble wrap. Bubble wrap di ay pangalan, hindi di buto-buto. Ano ba yun? It's the trimmer router. And this one is the circular saw. May-under na akong electric fan nga mga siyang helicopter. Okay, so let's unbox this first. The trimmer router. So excited. Yung instruction manual. Mga pyesa-pyesa nga ginagmay. I don't know if it's complete because I haven't touched the router. I haven't seen the actual router before. I think this is the carbon brass. Mga extra nga carbon brass. Kaya usually pag inani ng mga tools, kasagaran ma-daot is ang yung carbon brass. And ano yung sa Makita. It's a Makita. I think the model is 37098. Ato i-try ni kung ano ba. It's heavy. Bugat siya. So let's try this. Sounds good. So these are its mga extra pieces here. yung mga wrench washer. This is a lock. Screws. And another wrench. So that's it for the router. Ito siya i-test niya. So, ibalik kasi wala. So, I decided to order this because it's really hard to magkuan dito sa mga corners. Yeah, magkuan po sa kaning bisagra. Mga hinges. So here is our circular saw. So gitarong gid ni siya og kuan sa courier kaya wala man siya na daot mo andar man natin siya. So circular saw, handling manual. Oops. It's heavy. Yeah. So it doesn't have a weight on it. So mo ni iyang item. It's a Makita 1050 watts. Ang iyang blade is 6 inches. 6 inches blade. Yan na siya yung mga protective something. This, I don't know what's this for. Ako pa nakahon ang manual. And a little washer. Yan na lang. So, isa mo natin. Ang sulayan. Okay. So this is how it works na siya. Okay. Pag mag-cut na ka, maana na siya. It's sort of like a safety something. Come on. Tell all your friends. Huh? Nagpalit tayo ng mga Yep. Because it's so tapoy to manual ka basi. Plywood. Ay, sa along ka dito lang ha. Sige. Wala, sige. Let's go. No burning. Walay masimutan ni mga murag sunog, or maybe because wala pa man di siya put into actual test. So sunod ko hon, I will make a video of me actually using this and the trimmer router, because I plan to make another sofa. It's like an ottoman, Russian ottoman sofa, but it also has storage inside. Okay. Parang namang daghana og butang. It's me and 4 children. So sa ako, I only have a few things, but the kids, grabe kadaghan. So I really need to have more functional na mga furnitures here sa balay para it can function as an organizer of storage. Kaya dili ko gusto nga daghan kaayog mga furniture sa among balay. Kaya sabot na kagamay ang space. So that's it for our unboxing, and I am excited to go home tomorrow para mag-start na ko og DIY projects. So until next time, this is me, Christina, or you can call me Risa.
Wait.
What?
It's like a cabinet that you can sit on. But
Yes.
it's more like a bed that you can like sleep on.
A bed with an under storage.
It's like an underground base. Like you can just spray some things.
So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy the video.
It's like a
and
coffin.
I will slowly invest in tools like this because it really makes the job easier and mas dali ang imong trabaho, and you exert lesser efforts because you have the tools to help you get the job done. So that's it, and thank you for watching. Please share.
Don't forget
Bye.
to subscribe.